We should be live, guys. Welcome back. Right now, what I have to do is share the live stream in Discord so everyone can get it. And let's have some backtesting day. So nothing special today, then just backtesting the strategy. We're gonna as well look at the market. We're gonna discuss it together, but at the same time, we're gonna do some backtesting. So we're gonna go with the strategy we explained yesterday, and moving forward. Let's see if my live is on. Should be on. Should be on. Not sure. It's not loading. 6 people waiting. Forget the other Wi-Fi, so it does not connect anymore to these things. I need only the Starlink connected. And now, right now, even the Starlink does not work. What the heck? Did I do something to the Starlink? No, it's working, it's working. Live is freezing, bro. Yes, I connect to the correct Wi-Fi right now. It should be better. If it's not, the Starlink is there yesterday. I'm in the same place I was yesterday, where the live stream was working correctly. So I hope it is working right now. I'm just, yeah, it should be fine. Let me know if it fixes. Afonso Mesquita with, yeah, the connection should be better right now. I'm not sure, but I'm connected to the correct Wi-Fi. We can do a speed test. I mean, I can see that my internet is not the best right now. I can do the stupid things of moving it a few centimeters closer. Yeah, it is backtesting day. It is backtesting day. Backtesting day, guys. The Wi-Fi, I'm connected to Starlink. Starlink seems correct. I'm gonna do a speed test in my computer here. Yes. Okay, it's the one with the, yeah, it's working well. So just a matter of time, guys, then it's getting better. I'm just getting even closer. Yeah. Let me know, how is the live right now? I think it should be fine right now. I see no drop in frames. Next time I can even get closer to it if I can. But I think right now it should be fine. I have like full green. It's good, Flips. Thank you, Jose. Let's do it. So we are here. Let's do it. And what I'm gonna do right now, is start a little bit backtesting. So the strategy, we checked it yesterday, and it's about we take the 50 minutes range and we wait for the first candle that wicks above or lower, and then we look for a reversal if that happens. So that's the idea for this backtesting strategy. Afonso, you say that you backtested yesterday.
We're looking for 18 curious of minimum volume.
Wow. Okay.
Disconnect.
Let's do it. We're connecting. Okay, let me continue with this backtesting right now. So yesterday was my last day. I backtested was the 7 July. So that was my last day. And we're gonna go back. We have 1 month of data. Who's that? Yeah, that's the point. Who's that one? Someone passed there behind. I have to remove myself here. Yeah, guys. You piece of crap, guys. Let me. It's privacy. I have to keep privacy of people. I cannot move to right away. Other nomad people, yes, it is. It's an because this place it's other nomad people here. So other people working online or anything else. So, but that's why yesterday in my vlog you saw me. But I'm always precise with privacy. I never show anyone else in my video because I don't want to have problems of people. They don't want to show up themselves or they care about their privacy. So you see me, that's why I don't usually the only people you see me showing is because I ask them if they want to be in the live stream, in the vlog or whatever they want to be. So I don't know. Okay, 7 July we did it. Was a break of the high. Came back. Was a winning trade. For the moment we had 3 winning trades, by the way, here. Let's calculate. Let's put a total here. I think you can see it, right? You can see it, yes. Like total win full trade, and it's gonna be a sum, and a loss. We can say that is -1, right? -1 is sorry, a loss is -1, -1, because I'm gonna lose 1 and make 1.60 or 0.40. That makes sense. So total win points is gonna be the sum of all of this top range. That's what we're gonna care more. And why did not do it? Of course, because I didn't put them. So for example, for the moment, I made 7.38 points in the last 3 trading days here. Good morning, Nick. Let's do it. So let's say as well evaluate what the heck the market did. Oh, this is by the way, this was CPI today? Because if it was CPI, it was very weak. If it was CPI, it was very weak. What is that? This is like a freaking 66 points. And our opening print level is very high there. Let me remove some of these lines for the moment. And opening print level is this one. So it's a red candle. Top range as if you are long, and if you were short would be bottom 50 minutes. Top range as if you are long, and if you were short will be bottom 50 minutes. Yes, I think I will do like if it breaks above first and it wicks out and comes back, then I will probably look for the bottom of the range. Yes. And if it breaks on lower, then the deposit will be the highest, right? That will be my way to do it. That's, I think, my plan at least. Anders, what did you backtest it yesterday, Afonso? Did you backtest it with the 3 minute candles? Did you backtest it with the 1 minute candle? You know. So let's say, for example, I go back. I've done the 7 of July was last time. This was the 7. This is the 6. This is the 4. And there was nothing, I remember. Because it was holiday 4. Yes. I messed up. This is the 6. This is the 3. And there was nothing because it broke and went skyrocket. 9:30. This is here skyrocket. So nothing. We go back. This is the second. It skyrockets right away. This is the 1st of July, nothing. And we put a 1 month, but I have to put. Okay, so I've done all July. All July, there were only 4 trades.
Power off.
I'm dying. I should switch off the things. So this was month of July. Brand, put July. And I'm gonna put it here. Is it normal to make $250 on another account for a first-time future trader? You can make a lot of money, my friend. Yeah, it's normal as well to lose them the same amount. Yeah, I would say be careful with expectation. Yeah, don't have crazy expectation. That's most important. I did big test for continuation reversal of the strategy. So you are doing now. Perfect. You're doing continuation. How did you do continuation? What is your idea on continuation? What is your idea on the break? And what is will be your TP? And what will be your stop loss? I'm curious about your idea on that case, because I have an idea of this one of grab liquidity low and then continue higher. But what is your idea on the continuation? The thing is, I looked for continuation pattern as well when it touches the 50 minutes and continues. Nice bull trap just before open ES today. Bull trap, something like here, 9:30. So this kind of here. Are you speaking about Nick? Something like this, and come back short. Oh, love that, love that. I see your point there. The normality is to have no. Okay, wait. Tell me which one. The normality is to have 10 days green in a row. The next day you lost all your. My friend, my colleague right now is at. He has $250 before the payout, and he's like, we say the same thing yesterday. He's like, good, very good. I did all the job right now. I'm gonna blow up tomorrow. Okay, from 8:30. Okay, something like this. Okay, something like this. That's your idea. As well, we can say that's as well a nice triangulation there. Wow, you really got long at 120. I saw your picture. The flat flag. Later than that. Is it 3 minutes chart? This one? Yeah, this is as you're speaking about the free. Okay, are you speaking about the 3 minute chart or are you speaking about? Oh, maybe this little flag here. Are you speaking? I guess. 8:36 candle. Oh. Oh. I'm trying to guess. I'm trying to understand what you mean. I've seen one churn for the 3 minute candle and for the continuation patterns. One to chew risk reward. Using the 3 minutes candle closing above the 50 minutes range. That's what you mean? No. Send me a screenshot in Discord. Send me a screenshot in Discord, my friend. I'm really not understanding where you're. I mean, I like to have a strict pattern idea. So the idea that we're okay, for example, oh, that's beautiful, 46. So the 50 minutes range is this one. So let's go. Let's check it out for today. Why I cannot touch this? Okay. The heck? Oh, because I was still drawing there. What? Why it does not allow me to? Yeah, I don't know what happened here, but this is the 50 minutes range is not this one, it's this one. I want this one, but I want to delete these things here. Remove selected. True. Remove selected. Freaking hell. Oh, finally. So this is the 50-minute challenge. Almost stop loss you. You had your stop loss here. Admit it, my friend. Your stop loss was here. That's where you are, your stop loss, right? Still on the hearts. Just 4 entries in July, as in the fake outs? Yes, Afonso. Just 4 entries in July. That's what I noticed, at least for me. 1 was a loss and 3 were entries as a fake outs. But it's not a problem that I have only 4 entries, because at the same time I will use as well your strategy, the same things of continuation. So if one day I don't take the fake out, I can take the continuation. Right there, yeah, you know, I saw it. I need both. I want to have this pattern of liquidation grab, and I want as well the continuation pattern. So on the fact that if for example, freaking hell, if I close this candle here below, I would love to see. Let's say, for instance, let's remove the 50. I'm thinking about the 50% range. I should keep it as a calculation or not. More data is better, right? If it closes above, use the stop loss of that candle and then look for 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 risk reward. That's the idea. That's the idea. The best, that will be a continuation, and yeah, 50 minutes range. Let's see how it evolves with this 50 minutes range. I'm curious about it. We can definitely, we can trade it with 1 micro in our PA, just for a little bit of, just to keep ourselves in the PA trading environment. So guys, did you watch the vlog yesterday? I hope you enjoyed it. I did not edit that vlog. It's the first video I did not edit in this channel. Absolutely insane, guys. I think I've put hundreds of the videos. 497 videos in my channel, and because of many of them are 300 something lives streaming. But yeah, this is the first video I've never edited one. Good stuff. Yeah, look, you look beefy. Beefy? What the heck means beefy? What the heck means beefy? I hope it's a good thing. Amazing views. It is. The villa is great, yeah. The villa is great, man. Also, my friend is coming today, so it's gonna be a good time. So when will you start with your PAs again, if I can ask? And if you want to talk about it, because when I will go back with the PAs, no cares. The moment I finish backtesting, the moment I finish backtesting, I will go back with my PAs. Maybe a week and a half, or 2 weeks. This time, just to backtest a little bit more, and yeah, then I will go back. Mohammed, that's too much info. Look, you look beefy. I don't understand that I look beefy. It's some American slang there. Yeah, I'm not taking like a break of, I'm taking a break of backtesting more. Yeah, Jose, I'm just taking a break for backtesting. Just have some backtesting on the strategy. Yeah, Mohammed is laughing because he's saying something, but I don't get it. It's time to ban Mohammed. No, I'm just joking. I hope it's muscle weight because I put as well some normal weight. Usually I'm much more muscle than this, much more. But I put some weight. The last, it sounds like he wants to. Yeah, no. Unfortunately, I'm not available for that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. Appreciate the. Always know that we will never mock you, Hamza. We love you, man. Yeah, no, man. I love each one of you. Each one of you. And we know that is the funny thing is that when someone comes here and is doing the stupid things, we're like 20 people like destroying this guy. Like the guy that came last time, that he was just insulting in his language. And Fayaz was here. Ban him. Let's go. Out. We don't need you. That's the way, guys. Just joke, have fun. Use this community to grow up together. We are a good group of people. It's better to have 20 good people than 50 bads, right? That's the way. It's better like that. Freaking Quantower asking me to upload. So I'm waiting for these things to see what it wants to do. In the meantime, just let's go to one previous day. Let's put 3 months here. And let's go to July. June. I need June. June. I can see here on the left if it breaks. And we can go back. What the heck? But that's why I was like, wait. Why I don't have 610? Why these things doesn't have all my data? Reload the historic in data. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna try as well the continuation. I'm gonna check how the continuation works too. Okay, now the data is there. What the heck was happening there before? So here it gone. Next one here. 15 minutes range was this one. So what is your idea on the? So this is the 15 minutes. So this will be. This is not a fake out one because the candle closed lower. So this is not a fake out candle for me. The fake out candle, as I mean, why that's why I have only one trade. I want one candle to have a tick. This will be like a continuation candle almost. So this is not a trade. Then we have another range here. $39, $32, $35. This is a fake out that did not work out. It came out to the top, it came back. I would have probably entered here and I will get in stopped out. -1. -1. -1. The high. And which day was it? 627. $627. Use on Rithmic backtesting and it's free like for how many bars? Because I'm using Go charting, it's free but limited stuff. If you're connected to Rithmic, for example, to NinjaTrader, you can go months. What I like as well in NinjaTrader is that you can reload any random month if you want. I can go to last year of June and reload the historic data. You lost muscle. Yeah, I'm still doing the flag. I have to say it. I'm still doing the flag. You piece of crap. I'm still doing it. I'm still doing it. That would be interesting if this is a fake out. Would be this a continuation candle? That would be interesting. If this is a fake out, this is a continuation candle. But yeah, is to look into it. I mean, if for example I enter short here, I get stopped out, and I get a continuation candle, I guess I can enter as a second trade. Yeah, no, yeah, I won't take the fake out 3 times. I will take the fake out here, getting stopped out here, and then this is a continuation candle, and going long here, I look for that 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 risk reward. If you have a 20 points, 40 points risk to risk, that is a risk reward. Okay, and you flatten each time, you flatten 5 points. Does it break the? But think about if you every time losing 20 points and you make 5 points, then that is a 1-to-4 risk reward. 1-to-4, 1-to-4, 1-to-4. Yeah, that's a 1-to-4. So you're not losing, you're not breaking the 1-to-5. If you instead every time you're risking 20 and you're flattening at 4 points, then you're on the limit. But if you're risking every time 20 and you're making 3 points, then you are below the 1-to-5. So you're risking more than 5 to make 1. Yeah, I'm here. I'm looking here on the left side, ready to take a trade with you. One micro contract. I need some water as well. It's coming to the low. That's it. Let's check it out. El Matador. Yes, he's El Matador. El Matador. El Matador. He's in Discord. No, Nick is Nick. Nick, I'm Nick. What is it? Nick, did you put the trades you said before? Oh, now I see it. Oh, now I see the idea you're speaking about. It was not, it was, okay. Yeah, I see it. It was not these, but these. Okay, makes sense. Did you take that short? Yes, you took it. You sold, you bought. Let's go. Let's go, Nick. How are you feeling again? How is your confidence? Because you had a difficult moment, but I hope you're bouncing back strong. Yeah. Definitely many people took that short. Took that long, sorry. Let's see right now how this candle does. Yeah, I see you, Nick. It's always like that when you start to move to funded accounts. A bit of the mental side comes to eat us a little bit. Oh, that's look at this. This, for example, if it fakes out, it can be a long. If it closes inside, and it will be something like this, risking the low and going for the high, and that becomes a 5-8 risk reward if that is the fill. Yeah. We're just, I like, to be honest, I really like the time zone of trading, because many times we complicate ourselves with too much trading and stuff like that. Too much time. I prefer it as well a time limit trading. I really like it. So first, I will go with one macro contract, guys, with this PA. One macro contract. It's just for the fun situation. So for example, one macro contract, stop loss here, and take profits here. It's gonna be like good chance it's gonna be stopped out, but you know, you freaking never know. This is, I have a 127.3 risk reward. One macro contract. Yeah, non-professional traders try to break them because they disappear. We can't predict who are not. Yeah, everyone sees something different. It was just example of before, right? When you told me, I took a fake out break flag. How many times I told you this line, this line, this line? I told you 3 different lines until I gave up, and I told you, show me which things you saw. So imagine that. Imagine that. That's the insanity factor. So we're gonna get stopped out in this one. It's in one macro contract anyway, risking $12. How much is it? How much I'm risking there? $26. Too much money. Yeah, I see your point. Yeah. So you're like, if everyone is entering as a breakout, then the short, there's good chance it will come. Yeah, I get your point on that. Guys, the 15 minutes reversal. If you don't know this strategy, you're welcome to learn it from the master in these days for free. The strategy is going to change your life. Potentially, but it could be a little bit of more coming by. Yeah. That's the way to do it. I agree. Just find the consistency, my friend. Keep improving. You're a good trader. Keep improving. Keep improving. Keep improving. Our trading career is like this. But the most important is that it keeps growing at the same time. You know, guys, look at this. I made friend Ross. I feel terrible. I must be breaking so rule. Why, Mohammed? You're not breaking any rule, especially it's evaluation. In evaluation, there are no rules. You can freaking YOLO all your contracts in one trade. How do you like this trade, guys? The 50 minutes fake out trade is called. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. All these people here. I'm long, guys. And what a beautiful risk reward here. I have a 1.7 free true risk reward. 1 to 10 risk reward, you mean you're risking 10 to make 1, or you're risking 1 to make 10? If you're risking 1 to make 10 and you have a 90% win rate, then not to hate on you, but that's the best strategy ever in the world. For 10% of the time, I flatten before stop. Can you explain more? Yeah, I see you. It can be, Nick. I'm just backtesting, yeah. Just remember, just backtesting these things. So, for example, this will be a new line here. Inset row above, and today is the 15. The break was the low, and the 50 minutes range is this here above. It's gonna take it right now very soon. It's yeah, you have to be careful, Mohammed, that in prop firms you have some rules that you need to respect. You cannot go and risk 10 to make 1 every time, then you're breaking the rules. That's where as well prop firms make money, because they have certain rules that people don't really like. But most of the Apex rules are totally fine from my point. Making, man, that's this. If you were trading with prop firms that way last year, like Alpine was doing, or Nutty Bar at the beginning when copying Alpine, on the fact that he was going for a few ticks, risking it and getting it. But and of course he was getting payouts, because he was getting 10 days consecutive where he was able to get these few points, and then he was getting payouts, blowing accounts, getting payouts, but he was making the good money. Yeah, Matt, how are you, my friend? Welcome back. Always here, man. How is going there? Hope you're doing great, man. Matt, you're from UK as well. My boy is in Ibiza, yes. Matt, you're from UK, right? Where in UK? Because we have Nick as well from UK now. They're a new guy. Yeah, Nick, yeah. And that's what I think I've done a mistake for me with the 50-minute strategy. I could have retouched it. Instead of making this big change, I could have retouched it to have like something that works better. Like a continuation of the breakout continuation, but using confirmation candle, etc. Yeah, a few things. 10 ratio, I win for 90% of the times. And for the rest of the time, when the trade does not work, I can feel it in close before stop loss. Yeah, Mohammed, you have to just be careful. You cannot have more. You cannot risk more than 5 to make 1. More, you can risk up to 5. Just to let you know. How much profitable with that? I guess it's Mohammed you're asking. Terbi increasing my win rate. Brazil? You're from Brazil, Matt? Where in Brazil? I should be in Brazil in the beginning of next year. Amsa, are you consistently profitable? How long do you usually get paid? Do you think should I make my plan to get paid, or spread the process in time and stick to my trading strategy? Do you think should I make my plan to get paid, or spread the process? What do you mean by that? Wow. My friend, I got paid last year 22,000. Here below every data. This year not that much, 4.5K. I wish much more, but I wish there was one more zero there. But unfortunately, it's not what's happening this year. But I'm learning and improving. My advice to you: follow your process, follow your strategy, execute as you should. The moment you get payouts, especially if it's your first payouts, get paid. Do not wait for increase the cushion or whatever. Get paid. Take the money out. By the way, guys, we reached the 50 target. How much was it, that one risk reward? That was a beautiful first trade there. How much was it? 3.42? Is it a 3 point? Yeah. Oh, guys. 3.42 on that first trade. At the 50% range. Auguzan, thank me later. I wish it was that easy. We have to follow. Each one of us has a different approach. Your strategy works in your way. My strategy works in a different way. I mean, my strategy. I'm freaking backtesting right now. Oh my god. I understand why preference put the rules against the rate. People lost a stop, but 1% won't. That's me. I have an attachment. I'm willing to lose money to feed the rule. ATS, active trader society. Yeah, I'm not gonna give the fault to anyone, Nick. Definitely 100%. I take responsibility of everything. You know, my life is my life. My choice are my choice. But I think I would have done it. I would have done it anyway, no matter what. That's what I think. We learn. You know, at the end of the day, when I think about could have done this, could have done that, could have done that, I know, at least I know that I have not lost money in the last period. Yes, I lost some accounts PA, but I'm still incredible positive with my activation fee this year. Yes, it's not the year I was making money, but it's gonna come with improvement we're making. Yeah, it is possible, but I don't want to give the fault to anyone. Just, you know, it's, you know, speaking with my coach in the last, you know, with my coach and everything, at the end of the day, if you are not somewhere in your life that you want it to be, it's just you. You can give the fault to anyone, but in the end, it's just you that you have taken as well the choice of following something. So no, it's the company where I work from. They have a coach. He's a great coach, amazing coach. But he's a mental coach, not trading coach, mental coach. Yeah. Try it that way, Mohammed. Yeah, Oguzan, I don't know. I'm just following a backtesting strategy right now. So I took the long, and I'm just letting it go until the reversal. I mean, we're up $130, guys, with one micro. And imagine that if I decide to start risking $100 per trade, that's 5 times. That means I will be already up like almost $600 on this trade. Because I think the best probably will be if I see that the average 50% top range is, for example, 4 risk reward, the average, then I'm thinking about how many times I win, how many times I lose, and 1 to 4 risk reward. It's probably the best is risking $100 because I want to take 2 trades, right? If these things, for example, would have failed me, stop me out, and give me a continuation candle, I would have taken the continuation candle trade, and that would have been probably another possible win, hopefully. And I will give 2 different risks, because on this one I have a lot of risk reward, and in the continuation candle I don't want to go for like 1 to 4, 1 to 3. I can go for a scalp or 1 to 1 risk reward. It's great. Yeah, Jose, that's what I think. I've tried. Right now, let's go back to some very technical, the strategy mechanical way. And it's okay. The year is long. The life is long. It's good. We're here. I'm still, you know, it's as much as I wish I can change trading to the next level and make 400K a year. It's okay. Guys, I have to call myself out because my laptop is gonna die in like 1 minute, 2 minutes. Just as a reminder, always there is the discount, guys, we have right now is 80%. My code is Hamza. The only thing is that I know there is the summit with WealthChart. So if you go to the summit of WealthChart, I believe they're giving 90% for WealthChart's accounts. I am not sure. I don't know. They said it yesterday in the Discord.